to show you how to do flying and hacking and getting unlimited keys and getting unlimited coins and getting many different characters and getting many different hoverboards. Yes, let's start how to do this. Hi guys, I'm going to fly. Hi guys, I'm flying now. I'm flying to the sky itself. I'm going to show how many coins and how many keys I'm having. You can see I'm having many hoverboards. Then the many mystery box. You can see I'm having many coins and many keys. See the characters of all the city special are unlocked. And the hoverboards of all the special cities are unlocked. Let's start how to do this. Guys, now you can see this blue button. Download this have no virus. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Please subscribe my video, add like to this and share to everyone. Thank you.